Hello everyone! This time I'm sharing solutions for the engineering mode issue on the Q series. Let's get straight to it. First method. If you see the situation shown in the image, with a green box displayed, you can press the down arrow key on the remote control 10 times, then press the right arrow key to exit engineering mode. Second method. If it shows that the MAC address is already activated, simply exit engineering mode. The steps are 10 times OK button, plus 10 times back button, plus 10 times down arrow key, then press the right arrow key to bring up the exit engineering mode prompt. Third method. If it shows that the MAC address is not activated, you can restart the device. If the display box turns green, simply follow the second method to exit engineering mode. If it's red, you need to follow these steps. Press the remote control 10 times OK, 10 times back button, 10 times down arrow key, then press the menu button to activate. After successful activation, the box in the upper left corner will turn green and show activated. Then press the right arrow key on the remote control to exit engineering mode. Last method. If the test interface is red and shows no MAC address, you need to reflash the MAC address for activation. Activation steps. 1. Connect a network, cable, and keyboard to the device. 2. Use the keyboard to enter MAC address. Then press the Enter key. Disconnect the keyboard. Press the remote control 10 times OK, 10 times down arrow key, then press the menu button to activate. After successful activation, the box in the upper left corner will turn green and show activated. Then press the right arrow key on the remote control to exit engineering mode. Currently, there are only these 4 situations, and each has a solution. If your device has other problems, please feel free to contact me, and we will do our best to solve them. Please follow me for more updates. See you next time.